Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know that our revision is going on. We have done 4 revisions of maths and today we will 5th revision, maths revision 5. So as yesterday I have given you homework to prepare all the chapters because now I will give you questions from all the chapters which are going to come in your annual examination. So you have to prepare all the chapters and you all have prepared it also. So today I will give you revision from overall, means from chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10 and 11. So 10 chapters are going to come. I will give you revision from those chapters. Children, if you are having any problem regarding any chapter of your in your revision, so you can ask me on WhatsApp group after giving your revision test, so that if you will have any query, so I will solve it there only. So daily prepare, daily practice all the questions, solve it 1 or 2 exercise because there is very less time for your final examination. So prepare it, and if you will have any of the problem in any of the questions, so you can ask me before starting your examination. Your examinations are going to start from 18. So then you will not have time to do the questions of your mathematics because you have to learn all the chapters, all the subjects whichever you are having examination. Okay, so prepare it from now and leave it so that afterwards you will not face any problem in your maths. Learn all the tables, learn all the definitions, prepare all the diagrams, practice it, है ना? Make it in a proper way. If it will come in your examination, so there you all have to make it in a proper manner so that you will get full marks. So children, now I am going to explain you the questions which I have given for your today's revision. Listen it carefully, and then if you will have any doubt, so you can clear on WhatsApp group. So be ready with your copy, revision copy, and let's see the revision. Okay. So children, this is maths revision 5. First question is, do the following as directed. Okay. And these are the part of first question. First question is multiply. You have to multiply here 126 by 58. Okay. Second question is add. So 42,49,678 plus 2,87,536. So first arrange it in column and then add it. Third question is a word problem. Arun packs 672 pens in 42 packets. How many pens are there in each packet? Okay, so Arun packs 672 pens in 42 packets. 42 packets में 672 pens are there. So how many pens are there in one each packet or in one packet? So you have to solve it. Then question 4 is reduce 57 upon 76 to its lowest term. Okay, you have to reduce 57 upon 76 to its lowest term. Fifth question is also word problem. Raju bought 12 packets of 1 liter oil for rupees 996. What is the cost of one packet of 1 liter oil? If the cost of 12 packets of 1 liter oil is rupees 996, then what will be the cost of 1 packet of 1 liter of oil? So you have to solve it. Then question number 6, AM stands for dash. You have to fill the full form of AM. 7th is PM stands for dash. You have to write the full form of PM. So these two questions are clear. Now question number 8. You have to find 1 upon 6 of 36. Okay, you have to find 1/6 of 36. Now Question number 9. Ruby bought 2/3 of a dozen bananas. Find the number of bananas bought by Ruby. Okay, 2/3 of a dozen. So, in 1 dozen, how many bananas will be there? First, you calculate that 1 dozen is equal to dash bananas, and then you will take out 2/3 of that much bananas. So, this is question number 9. Then question number 10 is list the common factors of 40 and 64. You have to list the common factors of 40 and 64. So these are the 10 questions which you have to do today. This is Maths Revision 5. I will send the picture of it on your WhatsApp and you can see from there. Then you will solve it. Okay. So some questions you can solve in classwork, some you can solve in homework also. So don't worry how much of the sum you will solve. You will send that much for correction. Now your today's homework is you have to prepare all the chapters of mathematics which are going to come in your annual examination. Okay, carefully you prepare it, because on 17 we'll do last revision. So, and if you will have any query regarding any of the chapter or any of the exercise, so you can ask me on that day only. Okay, because from 18th onwards your examination will start, so you will not get time for asking your queries. So clear your doubts on 17th only. Now children, thank you and have a nice day.